Pinky grooming herself after our morning bird watch ritual. Well, she was grooming herself. There she goes. That's her favorite chair she jumps over to from the bed. And then later on she'll go down to there's a little bed next to the, whatever you call that thing. Not the humidifier, but the air cleaner, I guess. And then sometimes she'll go over into that other big window, the door window, and lay down there and look at there. And then she's got another bed right under there she will go to later in the day. And she's even got another window. Look at that. Cat TV. And the big cat TV. I guess it's time to sleep. Well, that was a fun morning. Glad we could share it with you. Bert and Pinky signing off. We'll be joining the other cats shortly. Maybe do another event another time.